Hi everyone, and welcome back to Crypto Florence. In today's video, we'll explore the top 5 cryptocurrencies to keep an eye on this year. Whether you're new to crypto or a seasoned investor, these projects have shown promising potential and could offer exciting opportunities. Let's dive in. Section 1. Bitcoin, BTC. First on the list is Bitcoin, the original cryptocurrency and the largest by market cap. Bitcoin is often referred to as digital gold because it's seen as a store of value and hedge against inflation. With its limited supply of 21 million coins, Bitcoin remains one of the most secure and trusted assets in the crypto space. Investors continue to view Bitcoin as a long-term investment with potential for stable growth, especially as global interest in decentralized assets grows. Section 2. Ethereum, ETH. Next up is Ethereum, a groundbreaking platform that supports smart contracts and decentralized applications. Known as digital oil, Ethereum has become the foundation for most NFTs, DeFi projects, and countless other blockchain applications. Ethereum's recent upgrades, including the transition to Ethereum 2.0 and proof of stake, aim to make the network faster and more efficient. With so many projects building on Ethereum, it's clear this cryptocurrency will continue to play a major role in the blockchain world. Section 3. Cardano, ADA. Our third pick is Cardano, created by Charles Hoskinson, one of the co-founders of Ethereum. Cardano aims to provide a scalable and secure platform for smart contracts. What sets Cardano apart is its scientific approach, with each update rigorously peer-reviewed by academics and researchers. As Cardano continues to expand with its own ecosystem of DeFi and dApps, it's definitely a cryptocurrency to keep on your radar. Section 4. Solana, SOL. Fourth on the list is Solana, a high-performance blockchain known for its speed and low transaction costs. Solana has been rapidly growing in popularity due to its ability to handle thousands of transactions per second, making it one of the fastest blockchains available. Solana's speed and efficiency have made it a favorite for DeFi projects and NFT marketplaces. If you're looking for a project that's focused on scaling and efficiency, Solana could be worth watching. Section 5. Polkadot DOE. Last but not least is Polkadot. Polkadot aims to create a multi-chain ecosystem that allows different blockchains to communicate and share information. This approach could potentially solve issues of scalability and interoperability across different blockchain networks. As more projects are launched on Polkadot's network, it has the potential to become a major player in the blockchain space. Its unique technology and vision make Polkadot an intriguing project to watch. Conclusion. So there you have it, our top 5 cryptocurrencies to watch this year. From Bitcoin's stability and Ethereum's versatility to the innovation of Cardano, Solana, and Polkadot. Each of these projects brings something unique to the table. Always remember, though, that investing in cryptocurrency comes with risks. So do your own research and only invest what you're willing to lose. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Crypto Florence for more insights, and let us know in the comments which cryptocurrency you're watching this year. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.